Welcome to Femtech Animation Studio. A question was asked by a subscriber of mine that is only educationist. I'm so sorry for not uploading the video on time. So she exported her plot from Plotagon and sent it to me, and she said I should look at. Her question was, how can she put some delays in between scenes, okay, so that they won't just load up like that simultaneously without any gap. So now the first video I will show you is the video what the plot is entails, okay. So that is this. So I'm going to play it now so that you can actually see it as well.
I wonder what time this movie is starting. Time is fast gone already.
Don't mind them. They just never keep to time.
So please just continue to watch it. It's not that long, okay?
You need to see a doctor immediately after this movie then. Your sneezing is gross. Hope it is not COVID. I am so tired.
Notice from
I
that
hope
first
the doctor comes out soon
now,
to see you before I contact this cold from you.
There is no gap.
Excuse me,
I mean, there's no
please.
break.
Excuse me, nurse. Could
So
you
our
tell the
question
doctor
is,
we need to see him
how
fast?
can she create
Oh,
something
Dr.
like
Lee,
that?
I've been
And this is the
sneezing
third
all
scene
day,
also again.
and I kind of feel
Still,
feverish
no, it
Oh,
does load
not
up
again.
simultaneously
Why
like
do
that.
you guys
I
keep
mean,
transferring
no
your
gap
cold to
in
me?
between the scenes. So
Anyway,
our
we are
question
here
was, how
already.
can she
Let me check
create
your
something of
details,
such?
and you will have to go to
So
the
let me
pharmacy
close
to
this
get...
now and play the one I edited, okay?
Movie created by an the educationist and edited by Femtech Studio.
I wonder what time this movie is
So
starting.
number one, there's a
Time is
background
fast
music
gone
going on,
already.
which was done
Don't
on
mind them.
Plotagon.
They just never keep to time.
Oh, I am so sorry. I have a little cold.
You need to see a doctor immediately after this movie then. Your sneezing is gross. Hope it is not COVID.
So you could notice
I am so
there is
tired.
a skip here.
I hope the
there
doctor
is not
comes
really a
out
skip.
soon to see you before
Let
I
me
contact COVID.
Please back again. There's a delay there.
I am so
before
tired.
the
I hope the doctor
next
comes
scene
out soon
comes
to
up,
see you before
okay?
I contact this cold from you.
Oh, not again.
And you can notice
Excuse me,
the
please.
background
Excuse me,
picture.
nurse. Could
The
you tell...
background picture is somewhere here. You notice this.
I am so tired.
Okay, somewhere there. Where you can see download Plotagon Studio. Somewhere here. So I'll show you how this is also done. Okay.
I am so tired. I hope the doctor comes out soon to see you before I contact this cold from you.
Oh, not again. Excuse me, please.
Excuse me, nurse. Could you tell the doctor we need to see him fast?
So you can see again.
Oh, Dr.
There's a
Lee,
delay
I've been
before
sneezing all day, and I kind of
the
feel
next
feverish
scene
too.
comes up.
Oh no.
And you
Not
notice
again.
there are some
Why do you
effects
guys keep
taking
transferring
place.
your cold to me? Anyway, we are here already. Let me check your details, and you will have to go to the pharmacy
So,
to get your medic...
That is that. So let me show you how it's been done. Now open up your Plotagon Studio, okay? So what she did initially was to export our creation, okay? So there's a way to export that. Now this is the one she sent, which I imported into the scene, okay? So I just click on import project, locate where I save and downloaded these plots, okay? Now, okay, so from here, now let me show you what I've done. Just to click on the edited version. So from the edited version, just hold and let it load. So the first thing you will notice is I created something like a text play that comes up first. So how is that done? All you need to do, if I should cancel this, let me just highlight what I have here, okay, then let me delete this. So just to show you, now if I actually want to do something of such, all I need to do is wherever I am here, just select on this A is the text. So I want it to come up before at the first scene, so click on this TV button and select the upper arrow, so it takes it to that place. Then I can now type whatever I want to type there. So once I do that, you notice it shows this. Then it can either be silent, I don't want a character to read this, or I select any of these characters, okay, to read it out. And that's what you see in the first scene. Now the next one is, you notice upon reading this, there is a effect that came in, though it might not be notable. It's not that really notable in the first one, okay. And what am I trying to say? Let me show you back again. Somewhere here, when this is being played, okay, so between this scene and this scene, there is a fade in black. All right, that is number one. And from that fade in black, the movie did not just started like that. There is something that I did to delay it from starts to delay the character from starts reciting all what has been typed into the memory. So what I did was to click on this icon. When you turn it off, this is what you see. So when you click on this, it brings this option. So I can select establish shots. So the difference between this is when you click on establish shots, it always gives a delay before it moves to the text you've inputted. Okay, so when I click on establish shots, then what is this? This is not there. Okay, so establish shots, then before it moves to the type to whatever we have here. Then next, you notice there is a from here. Let me play this and you can see this expression, so I'll talk about that.
You need to see a doctor immediately after this movie then. Your sneezing is gross. Hope it is not COVID.
So you notice that there is a fade in. Okay, there is a fade in between this place, fade in white. So you can see it, fade in white. So those are hidden features in Plotagon. Number one, that is one between whereby to create a professional video, okay, so you fade in, fade out. That is one way to delay the scene from those going straight again. For example, when you look at this one,
I wonder what
there's a
time.
place, okay, so somewhere here, from here,
I am so tired.
so you can see that it does jump into the next scene without any delay. And you might like this, but for the request of my subscriber, our question is she wants a little bit delay before the next scene comes up, and that is what we are doing here. So which is the established shots, okay, the established shots which we've just done. That is the established shot one. Then secondly, coming to the next scene, you notice I also created this established shot. So let's assume I did not input this established shot. Let's see the difference. Okay, so from here, let's play this.
You need to see a doctor immediately after this movie then. Your sneezing is gross. Hope it is not COVID. I am so tired. I hope the doctor...
So you notice that it immediately does went into the next scene, and why this expression is still on the Indian effect is still coming up, the character is already talking, and which is not good. Okay, so what we do is to click on this camera icon here, then switch it to establish shots. Okay, so you can also look at all this one is more or less like moving the camera forward before the character start talking. Okay, but I prefer to use established shots. You can try using working on all this to see how it goes. So click on established shots, and you notice this icon I put here is from one of my recent video. Okay, one of my recent video about Plotagon. which is this. Okay, one of my recent video about Plotagon. So which is this. All right, now, so what you now do is, it's not all scenes that you can actually attach picture to it. A scene you see that has this something like picture icon, then you click on it to select. You notice it's not there again, so you click on it, then look for the picture you actually want to use. So I think where I saved that picture of mine is here. Okay, so there it is. All right, so with the help of the established shot, now let's click on from here again.
You need to see a doctor immediately after this movie then. Your sneezing is gross. Hope it is not COVID.
So you can see the established
I
shot.
am so tired. I hope the
And you
doctor...
notice that both the effects and the effect comes in, the established shot follows before the character speak, which is different from when I removed the effect, when I moved the established shot and the effect was still there. The effect was still coming up, then the character is already talking. So which is not okay in all situations. Mostly in this situation it's not okay. So now that is it, which simply means in every characters you actually want to input, you want to create some delays, always try to click on the established shot. And if you want to learn more on this effect I use, yes, no problem, there is a video I created on that, which is
Hi,
this.
I'm Femtech.
And I'm...
Okay, hidden features in Plotagon. Okay, Plotagon hidden features. Here you have the hidden effects which you can just copy and paste. So how do I do that? Let me click on this first one. Okay, that is, then copy that. So open Plotagon. Let's assume I do not want to use this. Okay, so maybe I delete this. Let me delete this. Okay, and actually want to add an hidden effect now. So what I need to do is click on chat. Do not select any character, just on the box here, paste whatever you have there. Okay, then you move to the next one. So by doing so, it would, once you play it, the effect will take place. Okay, so make sure you use the right effect. That means you input it the way it is being written, or else it won't work for you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please kindly click on the subscribe button, like my video, share with your friends, family and total strangers. In case you have any other question, please kindly leave the question in the comment section below, or you shout me up on Telegram or on WhatsApp, and I'll try my possible best to respond to your video. Okay, to respond to your question, if necessary, create a video just like this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now. One love.